Can you please write one bigger statement in your life what you want to achieve? Forget about possibility, forget about the things. Can you please type? Can you please type in the chat window bigger thing which is going to be happening in your life? Or otherwise write in the notes. Really I never thought like this, but now my thought is I want to become so and so level. Can you please write that statement? Bigger thing in your life, not small. Sir, I have to get 30% hike. I want to get double salary. Don't write such type of stupid things. Bigger things in your life. Just write one line. I'm asking. Bigger thing in your life. What you want to achieve? Bigger thing in your life. Yes, please. Write with your own fingers. Type or write. If paper and pen is there, recommended to write. Whenever you are writing with your own fingers, it is going to touch your heart. Write. Bigger thing in your life, what you want to do. Everyone wrote? Bigger thing. Sir, just now only I got this thought. I want to just, if I'm reach this type of level, that is the magic is going to be happening in my life. Like such a type of magical point. Dosto, no limit. No limit. Forget about practically is it going to be happened or not. Don't worry at all. All the remaining things, just right. Everyone wrote? Ayo, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone wrote, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. If you don't mind, anyone can you please read? If you are having feeling something like to read loudly, your dream is not going to be happening. Because you are not having the dare to tell, man. అసలు ఫస్ట్ నీకే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేనప్పుడు యు ఆర్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ద కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ దెన్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హ్యాపెన్ ఇన్ రియాలిటీ మ్యాన్ టెల్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్లీ ఐ వాంట్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్ ఇన్ మై లైఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్లీ దెన్ that is the starting point of your journey. Yeah, anyone can you please tell with full confidence what's your dream?
I want to be an entrepreneur.
Excellent. I want to be an entrepreneur. Yeah, definitely Mahesh, definitely it's going to be happen, but only thing is believe 100%. Yes, I'm going to become entrepreneur. I'm going to become entrepreneur. So you have to believe 100% is going to be happen. Then every day you have to water that. Whenever you have the time, 5 minutes time, visualize. Yes, I started my own company. Lakhs of employees are working in my company. Yes, I'm feeling very proud to reach this position. Feeling very happy. You have to feel that. How many times you are going to provide water, you are going to be that much in error.